Hi guys, this is Mrs. Sunken. I just wanted to welcome you to biology. This is kind of a how-to video on how to access Schoology, how to access our live stream that we're going to be having every day, as well as how to access the agenda for the week, our learning targets, and our calendar. So let's get started with that. So you guys are pretty familiar with Schoology, you used it in the past. So you're going to find biology with my little Bitmoji here, and you're going to click on that. The first thing that pops up is our Google Hangout or our Google Meet session, which will be available when you're at home. So you're expected to log on to this when you're at home. So you just click little Bitmoji here, and it's going to take you to the Google Meet, and this is where you'll join. Hi guys. Let's go back to Schoology. So that's where you get your Google Hangout. You just click on the picture and it will take you to your Google Hangout with me. The second thing is the agenda. So this is where you'll click to see kind of what we're doing for the unit. And you can also look at it by the week as well. So you just click on the picture again. This is my little Bitmoji classroom. It's just a picture you can click on. It'll take you to our Unit 1 calendar. Now for each calendar, there'll be a lot less writing at the top up here, but since this is your first one, I wanted to kind of make this, give you some information. So we're going to go to our agenda here, and you're going to click on this Bitmoji classroom. And as you can see, we'll have a calendar for each unit. Our question for this unit is going to be, why does Earth look so different than it used to? So this is going to be an Earth Science unit. It's going to be short and sweet. It's the only one we have this year. So this calendar, I have one for every unit. You'll see that it's in purple because purple is my favorite color. But you will see everything you'll be doing each day. This also does have a lot of wording at the top, but it's only because I kind of wanted you to have kind of an idea what's going on with this. The other ones will not have as much on the top there. I'll usually start each class with a mini lesson for you guys, and then we'll kind of be doing individual small group work after that in class. And when you're at home, you'll just be expected to log on to that Google Hangout, Google Meet meeting with us. Whether we're doing a lab or not, like Tuesday, if you're here Tuesday or you're at home, you're still going to be engaging in our lab that we're going to do. We're going to look at some science and engineering practices and some cross-cutting concepts, which are kind of the basis of science. And Wednesday, I do have Wednesdays on here. Wednesdays have an X on them because you guys obviously aren't in the building. This is a day for you to kind of reach out to me if you need to. I'll be available for contact to set up kind of a Google video meeting. Or if you have a question, you can email me. Let me know what you're struggling with. We can definitely set up time, or I can definitely answer questions for you. I plan to have a digital sign-up sheet, so that way I kind of know, like, so-and-so wants to meet on Wednesday because they don't understand something. Okay? So I'm going to have a digital sign-up sheet so you can put your name on there and let me know what you kind of want help with. So that is the calendar. So we go back to Schoology. Each unit has its own folder. Okay, so if you're going to go to Unit 1, which is where you'll go when you start on Monday, you can click Unit 1. And they're going to be labeled by weeks. You can click on that. And then you'll have your mini lesson videos, which is where you find this lesson. So that's where all the videos will be for the week. And then our weekly learning target, which it will change usually every week. We'll see what happens, but usually every week we'll have a different learning target, hopefully. It just depends on kind of where we're at with the curriculum. And then you'll have day 1 and 2 and day 3 and 4. Okay, now notice I didn't label these Monday, Tuesday, or Thursday, Friday, because that's different for all of you. Okay, so day 1 it's easier it just made more sense to me. If it doesn't make much sense to you, I'm sorry. Day 1 and 2, so like your Monday, Tuesday, this is what you're clicking, and it will take you to what we're doing on Monday, Tuesday. Okay, they go back. Day 3 and 4. I don't have anything there yet for you. hopefully doing that today. But yeah, that is where all that stuff is located for you guys. And everything is in order. So if you're at home and you don't know what's going on, know that everything we're doing, I'm going to do it in this specific order. Okay, so I won't be jumping around from here to here, back over to here.